International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health, also known as ICF, is a detailed framework which provides information on health and health-related conditions. This classification underwent a series of revision before being accepted in May 2001. In 1972, WHO developed an initial model concerning with the consequences of disease. Later in 1974, separate classifications for impairment and handicaps were formed. This was submitted for consideration by the International Conference for the 9th revision of the International Classification of Diseases in 1975. It was recommended for publication by the conference. In 1976, the 29th World Health Assembly approved the publication but did not integrate under the International Classification of Disease. The first edition of ICIDH, that is International Classification of Impairments, Disabilities and Handicaps, was finally published in 1980. However, in 1993, it was revised and provisionally printed as ICIDH-2. In 1996, ICIDH-2 was submitted for revision and an alpha draft was put forth. From 1996 to 97, this draft was circulated among concerned center and task forces. The reviews were then collected at the WHO headquarters. In the subsequent years, two more drafts, that is ICIDH Beta 1 and Beta 2, were submitted during the ICIDH-2 revision meetings from 1997 to 1999. These drafts were subjected to field trials across cultures and sectors. Based on the field data of ICIDH-2, Beta 2 and in consultation with the concerned centers, experts, the pre-final version of ICIDH-2 was drafted and presented at the revision meeting. The suggested recommendations were incorporated in this version of ICF and submitted for review by the WHO Executive Board in 2001. The final draft of ICIDH-2 was then presented at 54th World Health Assembly in May 2001. After discussion, the Health Assembly endorsed the ICIDH as International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health with short reference as ICF. Hence, ICF came into being for use in health and its components related to functioning and disability. ICF is a multi-level classification system. The decisions of levels is at the user's discretion and also dependent on the clinical outcome. Each level assesses the functionality of the individual. They are denoted by alphanumeric codes to describe the health and the health conditions of any individual. Each component of ICF comprises of a letter: B for body functions, S for body structures, D for activities and participation, E for environmental factors, followed by numeric codes. Numeric codes start with 1-digit chapter number, second level denoted by 2 digits, 3 level by 1 digit and 4th level by 1 digit. Below is an illustration of the ICF hierarchy for your reference. At the level 1 component, for example body functions, and the coding is B. At the level chapter, the example goes chapter 2, sensory functions and pain, coding B2. At the second level, example seeing functions, the coding goes B210. At the third level, the example is quality of vision, coding is B2102, and at the fourth level, the example is light sensitivity and the coding is B21020. The health state of an individual is characterized by these array of codes across domains of different ICF components. There are a maximum of 34 codes available at the chapter level, 362 at the second level and up to 1424 at the third level and fourth level. In real life scenario, two-level classification is commonly used and a set of 3 to 18 codes appear to be adequate for the same. These are usually used in surveys, clinical outcome evaluation and used by government agencies and for administrative processes. The four-level classification is mostly used for specialized services like rehabilitation outcomes, senior care and psychiatric units. Thus, ICF provides a unique classification system which allows the expansion and breakup of codes for different purposes and different settings. Also being a unique coding system, it allows health data collection from multiple sources and disability information at different levels. Thus, it helps us in analyzing the patient data in relation to the various influencing factors. In the following sections, we will see the brief two-level classification of functioning and disability component of ICF. This ICF component covers all body structures, body functions, activities and participation related to functioning and disability. Four-level classification of ICF is exhaustive and is available in WHO website for your reference. This section deals with the physiological functions of the body and the related impairments. The different sections of this ICF component is outlined as below. Chapter 1, Mental Functions. This chapter deals with the functioning of the brain and its related responses or reflexes. 1. Global mental functions B110 to B139. B110 consciousness functions, B114 orientation functions, B117 intellectual functions, B122 global psychosocial functions, B126 temperament and personality functions, B130 energy and drive functions, B134 sleep functions, B139 global mental functions, other specified and unspecified. 2. Specific mental functions B140 to B189. B140 attention functions, B144 memory functions, B147 psychomotor functions, B152 emotional functions, B156 perceptual functions, B160 thought functions, B164 higher level cognitive functions, B167 mental functions of language, B172 calculation functions, B176 mental function of sequencing complex movements, B180 experience of self and time functions, B189 specific mental functions, other specified and unspecified, B198 mental functions, other specified, B199 mental functions unspecified. Chapter 2, sensory functions and pain. This chapter deals with the sensory functions, that is vision, hearing, taste, smell, touch, receptive response and pain. 1. Seeing and related functions B210 to B229. B210 seeing functions. B215 functions of structures adjoining the eye. B220 sensations associated with the eye and adjoining structures. B229 seeing and related functions, other specified and unspecified. 2. Hearing and vestibular functions B230 to B249. B230 hearing functions, B235 vestibular functions, B240 sensations associated with hearing and vestibular functions, B249 hearing and vestibular functions, other specified and unspecified. 3. Additional sensory functions B250 to B279. B250 taste function, B255 smell function, B260 proprioceptive function, B265 touch function, B270 sensory functions related to temperature and stimuli, B279 additional sensory functions, other specified and unspecified. 4. Pain B280 to B289. B280 sensation of pain, B289 sensation of pain, other specified and unspecified. B298 sensory functions and pain, other specified. B299 sensory functions and pain, unspecified. Chapter 3 Voice and speech functions. This chapter deals with the functions related to the production of sound and speech. B310 voice functions, B320 articulation functions, B330 fluency and rhythm of speech functions, B340 alternative vocalization functions, B398 voice and speech functions, other specified. B399 voice and speech functions, unspecified. Chapter 4 Functions of the cardiovascular, hematological, immunological and respiratory systems. This chapter deals with the functions of heart, blood vessels, blood formation or production, immunity, respiration and functions related to tolerance, capacity of physical exertion. 1. Functions of the cardiovascular system B410 to B429. B410 heart functions, B415 blood vessel functions, B420 blood pressure functions, B429 functions of the cardiovascular system, other specified and unspecified. 2. Functions of the hematological and immunological systems B430 to B439. B430 hematological system functions, B435 immunological system functions, B439 functions of the hematological and immunological systems, other specified and unspecified. 3. Functions of the respiratory system B440 to B449. B440 respiration functions, B445 respiratory muscle functions, B449 functions of the respiratory system, other specified and unspecified. 4. Additional functions and sensations of the cardiovascular and respiratory systems B450 to B469. B450 additional respiratory functions. B455 exercise tolerance functions. B460 sensations associated with cardiovascular and respiratory functions. B469 additional functions and sensations of the cardiovascular and respiratory systems, other specified and unspecified. B498 functions of the cardiovascular, hematological, immunological and respiratory systems, others specified. B499 functions of the cardiovascular, hematological, immunological and respiratory systems, unspecified. Chapter 5 Functions of the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems. This chapter deals with the functions of ingestion, digestion, elimination, weight maintenance, sensory functions associated with digestive system, metabolism and endocrine functions. 1. Functions related to the digestive system, B510 to B539. B510 ingestion functions, B515 digestive functions, B520 assimilation functions, B525 defecation functions, B530 weight maintenance functions, B535 sensations associated with the digestive system, B539 functions related to the digestive system, other specified and unspecified. 2. Functions related to metabolism and the endocrine system, B540 to B559. B540 general metabolic functions, B545 water, mineral and electrolyte balance functions, B550 thermoregulatory functions, B555 endocrine gland functions, B559 functions related to metabolism and the endocrine system, other specified and unspecified. B598 functions of the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems, other specified. B599 functions of the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems, unspecified. Chapter 6 Genitourinary and reproductive functions. This chapter deals with functions of urination, fertility, reproduction and other procreational activities like pregnancy, childbirth and lactation. 1. Urinary functions, B610 to B639. B610 urinary excretory functions, B620 urination functions, B630 sensations associated with urinary functions, B639 urinary functions, other specified and unspecified. 2. Genital and reproductive functions, B640 to B679. B640 sexual functions, B650 menstruation functions, B660 procreation functions, B670 sensations associated with genital and reproductive functions, B679 genital and reproductive functions, other specified and unspecified. B698 genitourinary and reproductive functions, other specified. B699 genitourinary and reproductive functions, unspecified. Chapter 7 Neuromusculoskeletal and movement related functions. This chapter deals with the functions of joints, bone, reflexes and muscles. 1. Functions of the joints and bones, B710 to B729. B710 Mobility of joint functions. B715 Stability of joint functions. B720 Mobility of bone functions. B729 Functions of the joints and bones, other specified and unspecified. 2. Muscle functions, B730 to B749. B730 Muscle power functions. B735 Muscle tone functions. B740 Muscle endurance functions. B749 Muscle functions, other specified and unspecified. 3. Movement functions, B750 to B789. B750 Motor reflex functions. B755 Involuntary movement reaction functions. B760 Control of voluntary movement functions. B765 Involuntary movement functions. B770 Gait pattern functions. B780 Sensations related to muscles and movement functions. B789 Movement functions, other specified and unspecified. B798 Neuromusculoskeletal and movement related functions, other specified. B799 Neuromusculoskeletal and movement related functions, unspecified. Chapter 8 Functions of the skin and related structures. This chapter deals with the functions of skin, hair and nails. 1. Functions of the skin, B810 to B849. B810 Protective functions of the skin. B820 Repair functions of the skin. B830 Other functions of the skin. B840 Sensation related to the skin. B849 Functions of the skin, other specified and unspecified. 2. Functions of the hair and nails, B850 to B869. B850 Functions of hair. B860 Functions of nails. B869 Functions of the hair and nails, other specified and unspecified. B898 Functions of the skin and related structures, other specified. B899 Functions of the skin and related structures, unspecified. This section deals with the anatomical structures of the body and its related impairments. The different sections of this ICF component are outlined as below. Chapter 1 Structures of the nervous system. S110 Structure of the brain. S120 Spinal cord and related structures. S130 Structure of meninges. S140 Structure of sympathetic nervous system. S150 Structure of parasympathetic nervous system. S198 Structure of the nervous system, other specified. S199 Structure of the nervous system, unspecified. Chapter 2 The eye, ear and related structures. S210 Structure of eye socket. S220 Structure of eyeball. S230 Structures around eye. S240 Structure of external ear. S250 structure of middle ear, S260 structure of inner ear, S298 eye, ear and related structures others specified, S299 eye, ear and related structures unspecified. Chapter 3 Structures involved in voice and speech, S310 structure of nose, S320 structure of mouth, S330 structure of pharynx, S340 structure of larynx, S398 structures involved in voice and speech other specified, S399 structures involved in voice and speech unspecified. Chapter 4 Structures of the cardiovascular, immunological and respiratory systems, S410 structure of cardiovascular system, S420 structure of immune system, S430 structure of respiratory system, S498 structures of the cardiovascular, immunological and respiratory systems other specified, S499 structures of the cardiovascular, immunological and respiratory systems unspecified. Chapter 5 Structures related to the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems, S510 structure of salivary glands, S520 structure of esophagus, S530 structure of stomach, S540 structure of intestine, S550 structure of pancreas, S560 structure of liver, S570 structure of gallbladder and ducts, S580 structure of endocrine glands, S598 structures related to the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems other specified, S599 structures related to the digestive, metabolic and endocrine systems unspecified. Chapter 6 Structures related to the genitourinary and reproductive systems, S610 structure of urinary system, S620 structure of pelvic floor, S630 structure of reproductive system, S698 structures related to the genitourinary and reproductive systems others specified, S699 structures related to the genitourinary and reproductive systems unspecified. Chapter 7 Structures related to movement, S710 structure of head and neck region, S720 structure of shoulder region, S730 structure of upper extremity, S740 structure of pelvic region, S750 structure of lower extremity, S760 structure of trunk, S770 additional musculoskeletal structures related to movement, S798 structures related to movement others specified, S799 structures related to movement unspecified. Chapter 8 Skin and related structures, S810 structure of areas of skin, S820 structure of skin glands, S830 structure of nails, S840 structure of hair, S898 skin and related structures others specified, S899 skin and related structures unspecified. This section deals with the limitations in performing life activities and restrictions in participating in life situations. The different sections under this component is as below. Chapter 1, Learning and Applying Knowledge. This chapter covers the aspects of learning, application of knowledge learnt, thinking, problem solving and decision making. 1. Purposeful sensory experiences, D110 to D129, D110 watching, D115 listening, D120 other purposeful sensing, D129 purposeful sensory experiences, other specified and unspecified. 2. Basic learning, D130 to D159, D130 copying, D135 rehearsing, D140 learning to read, D145 learning to write, D150 learning to calculate, D155 acquiring skills, D159 basic learning, other specified and unspecified. 3. Applying knowledge, D160 to D179, D160 focusing attention, D163 thinking, D166 reading, D170 writing, D172 calculating, D175 solving problems, D177 making decisions, D179 applying knowledge, other specified and unspecified, D198 learning and applying knowledge, other specified, D199 learning and applying knowledge, unspecified. Chapter 2, General Tasks and Demands. This chapter covers the aspects of single or multitasking, organizing routines and stress handling. D210 undertaking a single task, D220 undertaking multiple tasks, D230 carrying out daily routine, D240 handling stress and other psychological demands, D298 general tasks and demands, other specified, D299 general tasks and demands, unspecified. Chapter 3, Communication. This chapter covers the different modes of communication such as language, signs, symbols and its related features. 1. Communicating, receiving, D310 to D329. D310 communicating with, receiving spoken messages. D315 communicating with, receiving non-verbal messages. D320 communicating with, receiving formal sign language messages. D325 communicating with, receiving written messages. D329 communicating, receiving other specified and unspecified. 2. Communicating, producing, D330 to D349. D330 speaking, D335 producing non-verbal messages, D340 producing messages in formal sign language, D345 writing messages, D349 communication, producing other specified and unspecified. 3. Conversation and use of communication devices and techniques, D350 to D369. D350 conversation, D355 discussion, D360 using communication devices and techniques, D369 conversation and use of communication devices and techniques, other specified and unspecified. D398 communication, other specified. D399 communication, unspecified. Chapter 4 Mobility. This chapter deals with the aspects of movement, physical, self, assisted and movement of objects. 1. Changing and maintaining body position D410 to D429. D410 changing basic body position, D415 maintaining a body position, D420 transferring oneself, D429 changing and maintaining body position, other specified and unspecified. 2. Carrying, moving and handling objects D430 to D449. D430 lifting and carrying objects, D435 moving objects with lower extremities, D440 fine hand use, D445 hand and arm use, D449 carrying, moving and handling objects, other specified and unspecified. 3. Walking and moving D450 to D469. D450 walking, D455 moving around, D460 moving around in different locations, D465 moving around using equipment, D469 walking and moving, other specified and unspecified. 4. Moving around using transportation D470 to D489, D470 using transportation, D475 driving, D480 riding animals for transportation, D489 moving around using transportation, other specified and unspecified. D498 mobility, other specified. D499 mobility, unspecified. Chapter 5 Self-care. This chapter deals with all aspects of the self-care related to general cleanliness, hygiene and nourishment. D510 washing oneself, D520 caring for body parts, D530 toileting, D540 dressing, D550 eating, D560 drinking, D570 looking after one's health, D598 self-care other specified, D599 self-care unspecified. Chapter 6 Domestic Life. This chapter deals with the aspects of domestic and day-to-day tasks or activities. 1. Acquisition of necessities D610 to D629. D610 acquiring a place to live, D620 acquisition of goods and services, D629 acquisition of necessities, other specified and unspecified. 2. Household tasks D630 to D649, D630 preparing meals, D640 doing housework, D649 household tasks, other specified and unspecified. 3. Caring for household objects and assisting others, D650 to D669. D650 caring for household objects, D660 assisting others, D669 caring for household objects and assisting others, other specified and unspecified. D698 domestic life, other specified. D699 Domestic Life Unspecified. Chapter 7 Interpersonal Interactions and Relationships. This chapter covers the activities and tasks required for socially acceptable basic and advanced interactions with other individuals like family, friends, relatives, acquaintances, co-workers, strangers, etc. 1. General interpersonal interactions D710 to D729. D710 Basic interpersonal interactions. D720 Complex interpersonal interactions. D729 General interpersonal interactions, other specified and unspecified. 2. Particular interpersonal relationships D730 to D779. D730 Relating with strangers. D740 Formal relationships. D750 Informal social relationships. D760 Family relationships. D770 Intimate relationships. D779 Particular interpersonal relationships, other specified and unspecified. D798 Interpersonal interactions and relationships, other specified. D799 Interpersonal interactions and relationships, unspecified. In our society, a disabled person is seen as a separate entity. Even though they are able to perform everyday tasks and lead a normal life, their disability is considered a disease or a disorder. ICF targets this false notation. After numerous revisions, it is published for use in all individuals irrespective of their health condition or state. It aims at assessing the current health state of a concerned individual and provides the various delimiting factors for the same. This can be very helpful in devising a more improved treatment plan and course for the concerned individual. Also, the multi-level system of classification helps in easy identification of the impairments and factors affecting them. Thus, we can conclude that ICF is a better tool for classification of health conditions and its associated functional status. Functioning and disability component of ICF covers all body functions, body structures, related activities and participation. Functioning covers the positive or neutral side of the interaction between health condition and contextual factors, whereas disability covers the negative side of this aspect. Both these factors work in synchronization to provide a complete picture of person's health condition. This makes the use of ICF prominent as a research and clinical outcome tool.